Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to be looking at temps throughout the US for this winter storm. Hello. Alright, also can you mute yourself? Because I'm on my vid. So, we do see, this is for the winter storm that's going to be coming. You can see it on Weatherman Premium. If we go, say, see where it looks like it's going to be hitting the most. Okay, so Monday. Let's do around middle of the day, 12. Okay. So, I do see that up north it's not getting hit too much. But we're going to be going around most states, the colder states mostly. Florida, Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, DC, New Jersey, some of PA. Staying pretty warm, same as Texas. Actually, no, Texas is going to be cold. Arizona, Nevada is going to be warm for most of it. California and Arizona, I don't know if I said that. So we are looking at where the storm is going to be hitting. I'm going to be looking at some temps, and these are pretty much the wind that's coming. These little dots that go out. Looks like raindrops. So we do start off with Texas. We do say it's going to be so it's going to get up to -2 up higher in Texas. And up lower is going to be warmer because that is closer to Mexico. When up higher, it's probably going to be around 12. But now if we look at the main part where the storm is going to be hitting, Iowa. And actually, yeah, the main part's going to be Minnesota and Iowa. Do you guys just want to take a minute and look at that temp? I don't know if I can trust this. Alright, let's look at it. It's in about the same temps. I think GFS might be more correct. Forgot the word there. North Dakota is also going to be getting hit. Minnesota, Wisconsin. There's going to be some pretty cold states. I mean, 15. Iowa City and Omaha. Like, those are going to be the colder states. I'm thinking. That's off of what I think. And what Wendy is thinking. But if we do look, like, Iowa's gonna be pretty cold, and it is actually pretty cold normally down there. But Illinois is also gonna be somewhere around 0 to 1, and you get closer to Iowa, it's around 6. But if we look at Minnesota, just look also. There's some high temps, and we're talking 20 to 15. I mean, it's pretty high in my opinion. So, yeah, Minnesota is gonna be pretty cold. Not gonna lie, 17, 13, up to 23 if we do zoom in. I saw 23 somewhere because I was using a different laptop, but see, the more closer it gets to Canada, the colder it gets. But look in Canada. I'm surprised most of Minnesota is colder, and Iowa is colder than Canada. I'm quite surprised on that. If we look like here, we have 20s normally, somewhere 15 to 20. Here's also 15 to 20 normally. And that's quite close to, it's honestly pretty much Canada weather. So, if you ever want to go to Canada and you live in Minnesota or Iowa, hey, the more you know. But Carol, Storm Lake, Spencer, Mason City, Waterloo, Cedar Rapids. It's gonna be pretty cold down there. Not much to see, but if we do go to Minnesota, actually, let's go closer up north. So if we do look more up north, it is gonna be a teeny bit warmer. Not by much, but a teeny bit. Actually, it's quite warmer. It's in the 20s up here. But that's mostly it. I don't know where the storm's coming from. I feel like it's coming from Canada by chance. It's kind of swelled in and it's blowing out down here. And then it's just kind of going to blow away out of America. And pretty much go to the ocean where it's just going to stop and it's going to warm up. Iceland, though. Damn. So that's pretty much it. Tampa, Florida's going to be somewhere in the 80s. Georgia's going to be in the 60s. North Carolina 50s. Virginia 40s. New Jersey 30s. PA 20s, also 30s. New York 20s. So it's all between 20s north. And yeah, that might end off the video here. Comment down below if you're watching this video. Do you prefer longer videos or short videos? Since I can't do any polls because I don't have enough subscribers and I'm not at limits. But also tomorrow or in 2 days there might be a live stream coming. I was gonna do it today, but it wasn't happening. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. I prefer if you subscribe to Weatherman Premium. He has pre-5 subs, and surprisingly, I am pre-10 subs, because I already hit that many. So, make sure to subscribe. I'm not going to try to make you like the video, but if you want, sure. And also, make sure you comment down below. Do you like longer videos or shorter videos? I would think that most people watching weather videos would prefer short, but it's up to you guys. So, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.